guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am actually getting ready to head to Atlanta. I do not have no lip gloss on. Oh my god. I'm getting ready to head to Atlanta. My friend just got a new APT, a new apartment, and I'm gonna go over there, get her a bottle of wine, and you know, we just gonna sip on some wine, eat some food. I'm gonna show y'all when we get there. I'm like tacky but cute. So I have on this red top, right? And then I have on some Adidas sweats, but then I'm throwing on my Nike sandals because it's like real hot outside and I don't want to put on tennis shoes. I was really gonna put on my Nike, I mean not my Nike, my Adidas shoes, but I have like some classic ones. I was gonna put those on, but I don't feel like having my feet covered, you know, it's hot. And I'm gonna grab my jacket because I gotta get gas and people are weirdos at the gas station. And I honestly, I'm not really even trying to sound big-headed, but every single time I go, because I know it happens to every single woman, I know it happens to every single woman, people always try to holler at you. Does that happen to y'all? Because I swear every single time I go, someone feels the need to say, someone feels the need to try and talk to me. And I'd be like, why can't I just pump my gas without you bothering me? Seriously? Like, why can't I just pump my gas without your attention? I'm looking for a lip gloss because I don't have on any gloss, but I think I'm gonna leave my mouth like it is. I'm just gonna put on like a clear gloss. This gloss is from Ulta. I should have done my makeup on camera today, but once I got finished with everything, that's when I decided to vlog. I thought it would be okay to vlog with you guys today. Put on some more lotion because your girl is known for getting ashy. That's that. People are weirdos. And I got my jacket to be sure that no one will be bothering me at the gas station. I'm getting everything in my purse right now. And I also have a review coming. Smells like baked chicken. I need to take that chicken out the oven. Ooh, almost hit the floor. Falling while trying to put on my clothes. I'm forgetting something. What did I come in here for? Do y'all do that? Oh, I came here for lotion to put in my purse. Double check everything is unplugged. I'm doing really good, y'all, with drinking my gallon of water a day. So yeah, I'm glad I didn't film while I was doing my makeup and stuff because I would have been even later. I said I was gonna be there at 2 o'clock and I wanna make sure I'm on time because I'm never on time. My friends know that. Your girl is never on time for nothing, okay? But I be trying. Ooh. I really do be trying. This is my favorite gum, guys. I buy it from Sam's because I literally go through gum like no other. And y'all probably know that too because I be getting comments like, can you stop chewing gum while you record? And I can't help it. It's like a nervous tick. I have to chew my gum to make me feel better, you know? So I think everything is good. Make sure I cut off this. Oh shoot, I gotta put my clothes in the dryer. I'm gonna be back once I get in the car, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna have to talk quick because it's hot. Because I don't know what. And yes, I still have my jacket on. I need to take my jacket off. But it's hot and I just got in the car. Well, actually I've been in the car. I went to put gas in my car because I was on E, and now I've gotten in the car and my check tire pressure light is on, and I literally have the biggest fear of driving when this freaking light is on. I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, and my drive is probably like an hour away, so I am gonna have to figure something out because I don't know if my tire is going flat or is it literally just needs air in it. So coming on camera to say, I just don't know what's going on right now. I feel all types of in a loop, and yeah, that's pretty much that. I'm about to stop at my mom's house because her house is on the way, and it's hot. I had to cut the air off. So back to finishing what I was saying, I got a phone call, so it stopped recording. It's hot, and I had to cut the air off to record for you guys because you can hear the air blowing from where my phone is sitting. My phone is sitting up on my card thing right here, so I'm about to have to get off real quick because I'm gonna start sweating again, and I for some reason was not smart enough to take off my jacket, but I'm about to. So yeah, I'll be back when I got more information to share, because right now it's just about to be a boring 25-minute drive, and you don't want to see me sitting here driving, do you? No, you don't. So where I'm parked at, I'm pretty sure my mom is like sitting and watching me because she does creepy stuff like that. She'll watch me as I pull up at her house. But I'm about to go in her house real quick and see what she's doing. So I will see you guys in a second. Hey, Mom.
What you playing?
Because I got on 2 different logos. I mean, brands. Player hating.
That's what they call it.
I already said I got on 2 different logos, brands, and I don't care. Mama, don't turn it upside down. That's upside down.
I can't get you. I have to do it long way.
No.
Like this. I'm on what I call the record.
Classy, it's already recorded.
No, it's not. Is it going?
Yes, you would have stopped it.
Oh. Oh, Lord.
Can you see me? Mother says I'm player hating because I have on Nike shoes and Adidas outfit. But I ain't feel like putting on my Adidas shoes, so I wanted my toes to be out.
When you Adidas flip flaps or something.
Alright guys, so I'm back on the road. I've switched cars. I'm driving my mom's car because of that tire pressure issue I just told you about. You know, my energy was up high just a second ago, but it's kind of decreased now. And that's probably just because I'm tired. I wake up early every single morning. I literally wake up at like 3, 4, or 5 a.m. like clockwork. And then I try to go back to sleep if I get up at 3 or 4. I usually try to go back to bed. But, which I did do that today. And I woke up like I had literally been in a fight or something. Like I felt so rough when I woke up this morning. But I feel like someone had literally beat me down. I was so crazed and tired. And I laid on my sofa for like 3 or 4 hours straight. I kid you not. People are gross, by the way. I went into the liquor store just now and a man walked in coughing, y'all. I am on the road. My destination is probably like 40 minutes away. This gum is nasty. I want to throw it out. But yeah. Y'all tell me how y'all feeling below. I really like this vlogging thing, so I think I'm about to start incorporating more vlogs into my channel. I feel like it probably gives you guys a chance to know me a little better too, besides the hair videos, you know, because in hair videos I strictly talk about hair, and I want to make sure that you guys know me a little bit. Okay, I feel like I'm looking real crazy. I need to go wait, I need to fix myself. I just feel like I'm looking foolish right now. I think I'm not feeling something because I usually have on like some liner with my lip gloss, and I don't have like anything. I'm pulling up next to cars, y'all, so I'm about to stop talking. they're gonna be like, why is she driving and vlogging? Why is she driving and vlogging? And why am I whispering? Like, they can freaking hear me. I feel like I got on camera though. I went into the liquor store to get like an apartment warming, you know, stock the bar type of thing. That's how I should have done when I moved into my apartment initially. I should have had a stock the bar, you know, housewarming, apartment warming. So I got her a bottle of wine, the good old Stella Rosa red. I'll show it to you guys once I park. I'm driving now, but let me get off this camera. I'm gonna come back when I'm close to my destination because I don't want to fuck this on the road. Okay, let me pay attention, y'all. That was the hardest thing to find this girl's apartment. I literally could not find her apartment. So now I'm riding through the parking deck. Riding through a parking deck. Ooh, there's a kidnapped van. Make sure I don't park near that van. Oh, there's multiples. Hello. Why are there so many? That's creepy. People keep looking at me strange. Like, why is this girl talking and holding her phone up? Y'all, it is freaking 2020. They should know about vloggers by now. Come on. All right, finally made it to level 1. Let me figure out where the elevator is, y'all. Oh shit. There's nowhere to park down here. Oh my god, y'all, that was so freaking hard. My god, I didn't think I was ever gonna fit my clothes. I feel like I look crazy. Jesus. It smells like weed. Good, how are you? Hey girl, I'm vlogging. Really? Yes. Yeah, stay behind me. I said, that was the most confusing. Hey.
Hi, this is Brittany. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
I already know what interest as cousin, friend.
And
Finally.
I'm vlogging, so I'm introducing everybody. This is cute. Okay. Oh, balcony.
And we have the view of the dog.
Oh, are you gonna bring a dog? No, because he loves Corey.
Yeah, we're thinking about getting like a small baby dog.
Cute. No, this is so grown and classy. Oh my goodness. I love this.
So yeah.
Dang.
This is my bathroom.
I am very jealous. This is really nice.
Wait till you see. Let me see Kristen. Kristen.
Freaking restaurant or a bar. Yes, ma'am.
Is it a restaurant? No, it's just bread. Haven finally made it. As everyone's getting ready to go. Here's our post.
You did such an amazing job.
Yeah,
You still clean.
y'all want to walk out down here? You park in the first part? I park in the end. You should get you a taser or pepper spray.
I know, because y'all all ducked off where folks can just be. But you be parking right out there with the door, so she's good.
Yeah, and then they fixing the gate because that entrance right there is easy to get in.
Cause when I was standing out there talking to you on the phone, I was like, I need to get back in the car. It was just a lot of folks walking around, so I was like, this got me a little freaked out.
Well, thank you.
I know, thank you. I don't know when I'll see you again, but
We still at the Zoom party, girl.
yes. Oh, there you go. Oh, Helen, I'm so glad you came. And I got to see both of y'all. I love this hair color though. The brown. Did you make the wig?
Yes, it is just developer.
It's what?
Developer.
I said, did you make the wig?
It's a sew-in.
Oh, good.
It's about to come
I
out.
like it.
I want straight next, so you have to help me do my my ponytail and go straight.
Okay. How you gonna be here for your Zoom party?
It's gonna be straight. Mine more weave this week. And I'm probably gonna do a center part. But I'm kind of feeling your side part.
It's not really like in the side though. I kind of like tried to.
Slant.
Yeah.
That's cute though.
No, I don't know which way I came from. Oh, I came this way, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back home and I've made it home and I've showered. I feel clean. I'm about to lotion myself up. I got this lotion from Dollar Tree, the Slumber Aroma Therapy, and it might just be me, but I really feel like this makes me sleep like a dream. So I'm about to lotion myself up with that. I've been lotioning up with that every night. I need to go re-up and buy another one. By the way, Dollar Tree is $1. So I'm gonna go re-up on that probably tomorrow. And then I also got this Relax one that I put on after my morning showers. And I really do feel like it's been making a difference. So yeah, I'm home, I'm clean. I feel finally refreshed. I'm about to go jug me some water. My headache is leaving actually, so I'm not gonna take any headache medicine, but I am gonna go drink probably like half a gallon of water, no cap, and then, you know, go to bed and probably do some editing, then go to bed. But yeah, if you guys like today's vlog, please let me know by leaving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment as well. I really liked vlogging for you guys today, and I would like to do that a little bit more. If you guys like it, let me know. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.